Welcome back to our channel. If you're here to see how easy it is to change out the air filter in your new Trane or any type of air handler for that matter, you're at the right place. But first, welcome to the channel. If you don't mind hitting that thumbs up button, because that helps us help you with the algorithms, and subscribe if you want to see some other do-it-yourself videos. Just a tidbit, at the end of this video you should see a link for how to do the clean out here on this side. I'll show you how I went through and decided on what handler system should I get. Should I get a Trane? Should I get American Standard? There's like 6 major companies out there, equipment or the system you put in. So with that, let's get started. So you might be asking yourself, before you even get to this point, what type of filter do I use? Is there a certain brand? Is there a certain MERV should I get? You can get anywhere from 2 or 3 the whole way up to 15, 16. When I did the research, looked at them, it's a whole wide range of filters to get, but I went with 8. It seems to be the most cost effective and not as restrictive as others. If you live in a very dusty area, maybe you want to go with a little higher, but be mindful that the higher that number is, the coarser or thicker the screen is, the filter itself, the fibers and all that in there, and it makes it harder for the air to suck up through it. So therefore it may increase your electric bill by a little bit. Probably not so much, it's whatever you would like to do. So when I did some research online, I found these on Walmart website. That's where I purchased these. You can also get them on Amazon. I will put links to both of those areas in the bottom of the video. So let's take a look here at the filter. Basically, you got this whole unit. This is the free online that comes in. This is the drain that goes out, comes down through. I'm going to do a video on how you clean that. So if you subscribe, that'll help you so you don't miss out on that video. But you look in here, this is where the filter is. It can be a little bit tricky getting it out. Basically, I just stick my finger down underneath there and kind of just pull it out. It doesn't matter if it gets destroyed as you pull it out. So I got a hold of it. Now this one here came with the system. Kind of see how easy that was to take out. We'll take it out here and take a look at it. See how it's kind of discolored right there in the middle? And it's not too bad. That's been in there probably 6 months. I should have probably changed it a little bit sooner. We don't have any pets and that kind of stuff in the house, so it's not quite as needing to change it as often. So what I like to do is change this, and I'm going to put it on my calendar on my phone to remind me to change it every 3 months. And you can see here, this is the brand that was in it, and I could not find that one. This is the OEM from Trane, and you got to be mindful of the size. It's 23 inches wide, 20 inches deep, and this one here is 20 by 23, which it doesn't matter. See, it's the same size. It fits. And so there you can kind of see the color of how dirty that one got, and then the clean one. We'll set this off to the side, and like I explained, the air is coming down through here from all the returns from all the rooms and comes across, and then the air comes up through. So we want to turn this in a way so that the air is going straight up. You pull this down, you just kind of slide this in here, you Slide that in there like that. And you just put it just inside the edge. And there's a little lip up top and a little lip down below here. You can kind of see that lip right there that it slides on. And this goes shut, and then there's a little bit of a foam on the inside here to kind of help seal that off. So to kind of let you know that it says right on the side here the exact sizes what you need, but the big numbers here is the actual numbers you need whenever you're researching to figure out which ones you need. But that's how easy it is. See how simple? It literally only took me 30 seconds to change up this filter. So with that, thank you for watching. If you don't mind, give the channel this video a thumbs up and subscribe on the way out. That way you can see some other videos. I'm going to explain that, like I said at the beginning of the video, how to clean out this little system over here that pumps the water out, how I decided on what system to get, my thought process, and what questions to ask when you interview the installers. As well as I put in a Wi-Fi thermostat, and I'll be doing some reviews over that. So over the next few months or so, you will see that coming through the channel. So thanks for watching. Appreciate you all. And until the next video, have a good day.